clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop northbound is Flamingo Caesar's Palace Station.
This is the closest station to Bill's Gambling Hall in Saloon, Hilton Grand Vacations, and Westin Las Vegas Hotel. Find out for yourself. Very awesome. It's better with their fans in the wonderful Las Vegas showroom for an evening that shares the worldly country, rock and roll, and everything in between.
Now arriving at Flamingo Caesar's Palace Station. This monorail continues northbound. Next stop, Paris the Quad Station. The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop, northbound, is Harrah's The Quad Station.
This is the closest station to Forum Shops at Caesars, the Venetian, the Palazzo, Sands Expo, the Mirage, TI, Fashion Show Mall, Casino Royale, Trump Hotel and Tower, Wynn Las Vegas, and Encore Las Vegas.
Wynn has discontinued its shuttle service from the Las Vegas Convention Center. The closest monorail station to Wynn is now Harrah's Quad Station.
Now arriving at Harrah's The Quad Station. This monorail continues northbound. Next stop, Las Vegas Convention Center Station. The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop northbound is Las Vegas Convention Center Station.
This is the closest station to Residence Inn Las Vegas Convention Center, Courtyard by Marriott, Las Vegas Marriott, Clarion Hotel and Casino, Embassy Suites, Renaissance Las Vegas, and Best Western Mardi Gras.
Wynn has discontinued its shuttle service from the Las Vegas Convention Center. The closest monorail station to Wynn is now Harrah's Quad Station.
The Las Vegas Convention Center is a massive modern More meeting rooms, seating capacity, and business opportunities than you can imagine. Why not avoid the post-convention rush and purchase your Las Vegas monorail tickets in advance? You can also use the monorail to travel to your night events and after parties.
If you see any unattended baggage or suspicious activity, please report it to a monorail official on any of the monorail stations.
Truckers, owner-operators, drivers, and fleet owners, the Great West Truck Show is coming to Las Vegas May 30th through June 1st at the Sands Expo and Convention Center. This is the biggest heavy and medium-duty truck show in the West, featuring hundreds of exhibiting companies, displaying trucks, trailers, products, services, and much more, with free on-site parking, educational seminars, and overpriced private polished truck beauty contests. Admission is free if you register now at greatwesttruckshow.com. 1-888-345-4287 for more details.
And classic handcrafted cocktails that satisfy any craving. Enjoy our legendary hospitality over a stunning view of the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. Ruth's Chris Steakhouse at Harris Hotel and Casino.
Every year, the Las Vegas monorail is removing millions of vehicle miles from the roads below and cleaning the air to the tune of tons of pollutants. Thought the only great stuff you see in the desert would be in the casinos.
Now arriving at Las Vegas Convention Center Station. This monorail continues northbound. Next stop, LVH Station. The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop northbound is LVH Station.
This is the closest station to Turnberry Place, Turnberry Towers, Hilton Grand Vacations at LVH, Spring Hill Suites by Marriott, and Riviera.
Station. This monorail continues northbound. Next stop, Sahara Station. The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop northbound is Sahara Station.
This is the closest station to Circus Circus, Hilton Grand Vacations on the Las Vegas Strip, Stratosphere, and Fremont Street Experience via RTC Transit. Please note the Sahara Hotel and Casino closed to the public on May 16, 2011. The Sahara Station will remain accessible via escalators, elevators, and stairs at street level on Sahara Avenue and Fairfax Road.
Now arriving at Sahara Station. This is the last stop northbound. This monorail continues southbound. Next stop, LVH Station. The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop southbound is LVH Station.
This is the closest station to Turnberry Place, Turnberry Towers, Hilton Grand Vacations.